What is up? 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 Oop, I got an echo. Let's go. Lay in the house. What is going on? Oh, I gotta pull up my other chart. My other. There we go. How was your weekend? It was great, Lay. Thank you so much. Looking forward to the week ahead. I'm in 2 tournaments. 2 tournaments. Trade Day. And BDH tournaments. So should be fun. Corey's in the house. Trader 007. JC Trades. Brian, what is up? Passing a 50K top step eval. Oh, let's go, Brian. Got 2 of them going. Chef Chris in the house. Hari, what is up? Neo. Gonna drop them pot. Too easy. Let's go. Trading on tilt. Marco, what is up? Thank you for the sub, Ratman. What is up? ES, Bobby, Marco's in the house. Sherry. So this is what I got going on. So I got a tournament. I signed up for that BDH tournament. I got a trade day tournament going on for the affiliate cup thing. So here's what happened last week with the trade day affiliate cup. So basically, I was up $3,200. I was up. So, all right, let me take a step back. So they said that we could get 2 resets a week, right? So, and it's basically the highest P&L wins, and it's 5 weeks. So my thinking, like last week, I was just like, I'm just gonna get a good start, right? I'm just gonna try to like go in heavy, get a good start on it, see what happens. And the first day I was up, the first account I was up $1,500, and I kept pushing it. I wanted to try to get to 3,000 because you still have to stay within a 30% consistency for the trade day, 150 account, and I ended up blowing that count. So then I reset. I made I was up to like 1,500 or so, and yeah, Thomas, yeah, we traded the open, and then I ended up getting up on day one on the second account, and I was in 3rd place. And the next day I made another like $1,500 or so, maybe 1,600. I was up like $3,200 in the account, and to lock in day 2, and I got a little greedy. I came back for the power hour, and got a little greedy and ended up blowing that account. So that was the way the affiliate thing going. So the affiliates are all so I'm in down in the bottom because I'm in last place because I blew up 2 accounts. Not last, but pretty much last. So anyways, I get a new account coming, or I have it right now, I think, and I should be able to send it. So we'll see how I do next week. It is 5 weeks. It's a long 5 weeks. So yeah. So that's what we got going on. Besides that, I got a bunch of payouts with my funded futures last week. I think I'm like 3 more days. I'll get another payout with my funded futures, so that'll be sweet. Let's see. Working on some take profit traders. Yeah, I don't know. Just a bunch of stuff. Kind of stayed away from the screens. How was your guys' weekend? How'd you guys do? How was last Friday? Yeah, O'Dane, this is the BDH tournament right here. And how many funded accounts you can have from my funded futures? No, I don't think so. No. Nope. Yo, Design, what is up? So here's the tournament. It's 50K account is 5,000 in drawdown though. You can see it right here, $5,000 in end of day drawdown, which is pretty sweet. Can't really see it because my thing's blocking it, but yeah, there's 5,000 in drawdown. Oh, sweet, Corey, you got 5 accounts, nice. I did pass a pro account, so I am also locked and loaded with 5 accounts with my funded futures. They're all looking really good, really nice. This is actually trading on Legends. I never traded with Legends, but Am I gonna keep an eye on gold? Yeah, I usually go back and forth, Roberto. I'll check back and forth. I'm not that much of a gold trader, but well, this kind of sucks. My indicators are not on here, so I need to do that. So let's do that right now, in case you guys are interested. My inside bar indicators. Well, maybe. Wow. Okay. Nothing seems to be working. Is he putting together a prop firm? I don't think so. No. I don't know. Consider buying 5 more and just hitting 200 a day for this week and then losing the first 5. I mean, people do it. Yeah. I wouldn't do it a lot, earning and burning. But yeah. But yeah, you can definitely do that. If you guys are interested in the scale plan, My Fund Futures scale plan, $127 all in, no activation fee. When you use code PINE, request up to 50% of your profits. So just like Top Step, basically. So you make 6,000 or get 12,000 in profit, say, no consistency either, and you can withdraw 50% of your profit, so up to $6,000 in cash. Zed Hot, what is up? Zed Hot Music, let's go. When will you be able to activate them? You just passed it 5 Friday. They should be ready to go. Which prop firms have static drawdown? Tradeday, Apex, are the ones that I trade. Chicken Trader. So Tradeday has a static drawdown account. You get paid. They have day 1 payouts with Tradeday as well. So if you want to check them out. You just passed the 25K account. Let's go. You nervous? It's all right, Chicken Trader. I was super nervous too. Here's the thing. This is what helped get me over the being anxious about trading a funded account. Now, look at it like this. What are you really risking on that trade, right? When you take it on that funded account, you're risking whatever you put into that 25K account. So I don't know what you spent on it, but maybe it was let's say $100. That's your risk. That's what you're really risking. So like that trying to school of thought just kind of helped me get over the anxiousness of trading. You know, if I go in with 2 minis here, I'm not losing $500, $600, $800 of real money of like a personal account. It's like I'm risking, like in this case, I'm risking $39 for this account. So Code Pine doesn't work on Buellnox. Did they change it? Let me see. You are correct. Thank you. I will fix that right now. Currently 83% off Buellnox. Use code PINE. It's all fixed. Thank you so much for bringing that to my attention. Johnny FX, what is up? Crypto King in the house. Nate, Fideus, 500, static drawdown. Yeah, that's a pretty good one. I just got a TPT 50K Pro account. Any advice for getting to the buffer? Yeah, just keep trading the way you traded to pass the account? Honestly, Joel. It's trailing, but just keep trading the way you were trading it to pass the account, and you should be fine. One tip that I tend to do is I trail my stop pretty tight, right? So like if I'm in a winning position and it's really going my way, then I'll tend to trail it a little bit quicker when it's intraday trailing. But besides that, just keep trading it. Is Tradeday integrated with TradingView? I believe so. They have trade. Yeah, I believe so. Let me double check. They have Tradeday, so I believe you can use I've never used TradingView, so every time someone asks me, I'm like, I don't know. Yeah, they have TradingView. I do believe. Check it out right here. Also, if you guys are over on the mobile side, you can come over to the full screen if you want. But yeah, you can see it right here. It's Tradeday. 30% off when you use code PINE. PINE. You gotta use capital P. PINE with a capital P for Tradeday. It's case sensitive, so I appreciate that. So, trading this affiliate cup Tradeday. I got a payout with them a few weeks ago. And, oh yeah, that's something I bought 3 Tradeday accounts. And I got them all to consistencies. A little pop up here. Johnny FX is in the house. What's up? Smash that like button if you guys are just tuning in. Let's go. Nice pump up here. With your code, do they waive the activation fee for trade? Yeah, that's right. Yep. 30% off, no activation fee. So, Chicken Trader, appreciate you. Welcome too. I don't think I've seen you in the chat before. Too easy, Smokey says. Too easy. Let's go. Nice little pop there. Above nice 20 points. Where would you go on My Fun Futures to activate? God, it should be. You should have got an email that you passed, Corey. What are you trading on? Tradeday or? Probably have to sign the documents or stuff, but. Thank you, Chicken. But yeah, it should be all automatic, Corey. Basically wait for a review. Interesting. Geez, usually mine's pretty quick. Like, so just enough to make me hard. Oh, maybe, yeah, maybe because it's the first time. Hey, Paul, what is up? All right, getting a little rejection here on 530 50s. What are we looking at here? So I can't seem to get any of my indicators up, which is a little bummer, but that's all right. We don't need them. For some reason, none of them are working. All right, get a little push up in NASDAQ. We got gold. Gold mooning, pushing higher. Ripping to the highs. Do we pull back and fill this gap? So I am on this tournament account. I am going to be trading this very aggressively. So please do not follow any of my trades. It's $39. Basically for bragging rights. So we'll see. Got a small gap down here. Still pushing up higher. This account, this tournament's only 5 days, so pushing up here, 25,020. Looking strong. ES. Gap up on ES. Gap up on... Not much of a gap on YM. Gold was pushing higher. Pulling back now. 32... 39... 39.10.8. How did it enter the tournament? It's through his ex. It's through Legends, honest take. If you go through Legends, I don't know if you can still enter or not, but maybe. Through Legends Trading. And then don't look under tournament. Go under Get Started. And then click on tournament. So you gotta go Get Started, then click on tournament, and then use code BDH. And it's $39 to enter the tournament. It's $5,000 end of day drawdown. Yep, $5,000 end of day drawdown. So, you know, you make $5,000 that day, then on day one, then you have $5,000 of drawdown static, basically. Signing into my Tradeday affiliate cup. This one I kind of regret doing. It's getting a lot of drama on Twitter. It's kind of, but it's all good. Kind of rejecting here off 536s. Can enter until October 8th. Wow, interesting. Cool visible ID. And I think you can do one reset as well. Gold pushing lower. Possible inside bar on gold. We'll see what happens. Do we come back down and fill out this gap? Possibly at some point? Or is it just going to leave that and then rip some faces off? Rip some shorts faces off. 2 times. What is up? All right, I'm still waiting here. Very strong here, open. It's tough to try to go short, but inside bar short on gold. Gold looking strong though. Can we get a 1-to-1 off this? Short gold. Off the inside bar. We'll see if I can get. Yo, cooled. What is up? See what Nasdaq's doing. Nasdaq looking strong. Short 2 minis, 2 gold minis. Oof, which is a lot. But basically, the thought is just off this inside bar here. Maybe we break down through this low, but this is a point of kind of resistance, so we'll see. Yo, Peter, what is up? Cody, what is up? How long have you been trading for? Futures since 2021. Well, gold's bouncing here. Not a good start to this tournament. Should have just faded myself. Three lots. Well, this is a kind of a boom or bust tourney, so. Well, this tournament might get reset pretty quick. It allowed one reset, so. Selling the dip? Yeah, I know. Trade day tournament? Yeah, it's like a YouTube thing. Yeah, for sure. Reset is 39 bucks. Yeah, on this. 39 bucks. Did well last week shorting the highs on gold. Nice, crypto. Looking for 40 a dip to the gap. Nice. Oh, this is not looking good. Ouch. Gold. NASDAQ still pushing higher. Gold pushing higher. Yo, Indian Burn, what is up? Short NASDAQ. Good luck. We do have that open gap down here below 25,000, which would be an interesting short there. But looking strong at the moment. Targeting 90, Zaid. Yeah, I like that target. The Haramis, Lambo, are not working on this. I don't know. None of the indicators are working at the moment. None of them are working. I have to manually look at them. Nothing's working. All right, gold. I'm kind of bag holding this at the moment. We'll see if we get a little push down, get a little lucky. See if we can stay up all night to get lucky. Oh, you did Lambo? Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Oh, yeah, full time. Yeah, say full time. Lambo, what's up? Alright. Might close this out. We'll see. Kind of bag holding it at the moment. Gold is definitely not my specialty. Wow, I should have been stopped out if I was trading this correctly and I wasn't in so heavy. But what happens is we put in a little inside bar right here. It's not, and then I tried to go short and kind of paying the price at the moment. So I got $5,000 in drawdown. I can reset once this week. It's a 5-day tournament. I'm fully willing to sacrifice one account to get a good start, but you know, I do want to practice good trading as well. I don't want to just YOLO for the homies. A 500 gold short. Let's go. Short. You caught the top. Nice. So you got a little better entry than me. Guys, smash that like button if you guys haven't smashed the like button. I appreciate it. Let me check my emails here. I'm supposed to be getting some accounts from Tradeday, but I don't know how that works. As soon as I get some accounts, let's see. Gold not looking good. Yeah, it's just kind of looks like it wants to just go higher. Maybe a little short on NASDAQ, but I'm not really good at trying to catch tops. I need to wait for some sort of reversal, harami, or inside bar, or an outside bar, or something that looks good. Nice close below like 28 or something right now. Might look for a good short down into that gap, but I don't want to try to pick the top here, so.
What the fuck? One or done.
Peter, you see that? I'm just having some fun. Having some fun. I'm down 1,800. I'll probably blow five. I'll probably be down 5,000 here in a minute if we get a little spike up. All right, NASDAQ kind of looking like it might try to round over here. I don't know. I might take a stab short, but man, it's looking strong. It's looking strong. Not a bad little range for the Globex Open, about about 50 points. Not a strong Harami here, but it's just so hard to short this market. You better off. I feel like most of the time you're just better off to just smash the buy market button and then ride it. It's just the market's so bullish. Looking at the daily candles here, they put in a big outside bar on the daily, which is interesting. You know, below 24,900, could actually push back down some on the daily side, but. Oh, gold. Design. Why didn't you just tell me to not push the button on gold? Damn it. Alright, no one saw that. Might take a short on NASDAQ. Stop at the high. Like I said, I'm trading this very aggressively. Yo, just my style. What is up? Short off this Harami here. Yeah, let's get. You know, gold free colonoscopy. I know it. It's terrible. I definitely a nice way to get over leveraged to pass accounts and things like that for the tournament. But man, I'm not very good at trading it for sure. Pop on gold will spell disaster for this account. If we get lucky on this gamble short, then so be it. Stacks, is it My Funded Futures? If it's My Funded Futures, yeah, there is something you gotta do. Oh, well, let me use the data anymore. Yeah, no, you shouldn't have to pay. I don't know about FFF, but yeah, no, you don't want to pay. Yeah, you shouldn't have to pay for data. I've never traded with FFF, but I know My Funded Futures has an issue with that as well. So I remember using blown accounts just so I can see market data prices. Oh, lets you only do it on one laptop. Oh, that's weird. Oh, so you're trying. Oh, I see what you're saying. You used to use FFF. Now you're trading with Top Step. It only allows you to keep one browser open with Top Step. That might be the reason, Stacks. I'm not 100% sure though. Yeah, that is weird, Stacks, for sure. Possibly bull flag NQ. Doesn't seem like it wants to drop here, but we're going to hold it anyway. Yeah, sorry, Stacks. I'm not really sure how to help you on that. Yeah, that's really weird. I got a bunch of Tradeday pulled up, but it's all from different. It's like different props and stuff. So. All right, getting a little pullback on gold here. Let's see if we can actually get into the money. Try to take off some risk here. This is a dumb trade, so I'll be lucky to get out of this. NASDAQ stops at 25,048. 47.75. Nice little rotation on gold would be nice. Yeah, yeah, yeah. He's just being sarcastic. That was he's just joking. He's joking around. All right, let's see if Nasdaq pushed down here. Gold. Another bounce on gold here. Gold doesn't seem to want to quit. Am I really up 1 million already, pro fast guy? No, I'm down. I'm down 1,900 bucks. Unrealized right now, but I'm in six minis on gold, so it's not looking great. Yeah, I'm short on Nasdaq, Cody. Yeah, I'm short on Nasdaq off the Harami, but tight stop, less than 10 points. So. At 6 minis deep, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, if gold gets a little pop through the high right here, I am cooked. 100%. $39 to reset it, so it's all good. I already have it pulled up, Zaid. I already have it pulled up. Let's see, oh, it's 20 bucks to reset? Even better. But I only can do it one more time. So I can do it one more time this week. Oh, good luck, pro fast guy. Yeah. So supposedly one reset for that tournament. The trade day tournament, I can reset twice this week. So, despite everyone wanting an asterisk next to your name on Twitter to show how many times you reset, I don't really care. It is the most P&L wins. Oh, what's up, Newts? Oh, is it showing a lot of ads? Yeah. I don't know. I mean, I make 200 a month from YouTube, but I don't know. I mean, 200 a month's 200 a month from YouTube ads. Is it bad? Really? Oh, really? I want to be at the BDH too, pro fast guy. I want to go check it out. I got the t-shirt. He has it cranked up to max, probably. Yeah, I bet he does. Probably makes a lot from those live streams. It's a lot of people watching. Get down there, gold. Get down there, Nasdaq. You haven't got one ad yet? I have YouTube Premium, so I don't know. So is it treated like a regular eval? You can get it sim funded. I don't know. Peter, I would imagine it goes away because it's not a true drawdown. It's 5,000 in drawdown on the account, so which is not like a real, 50K account. So yeah, Patriots play tonight, right? I was watching that Eagles game a little bit. Eagles Broncos. That was a pretty good game. Broncos won. I think the Patriots play tonight. Oh, they played the Bills. Let's go. Go Bills, Pro Fast Guy. Let's go. Thank you, Myth. The only for the competition. All right, gold gets a little pop here, and I am screwed. Nasdaq looking like it's gonna pop. Kind of going with the gap. Little bull flag here. Yeah, Bills look good. Should be a good game. Yeah, I was in a bar and it was a bunch of Philly fans in there, and they got real quiet. They got real quiet. They were so loud, and then they got super quiet. Come on, Nasdaq. Let's push it down a little bit. Let's do it. Right now, it's acting like it wants to just barcode. Yeah, volume just went completely dead. I agree. It took my money, and now, cause I did not, obviously I didn't go long, so took my money, and now it's just going sideways. Could sit in this a while. This trade. Acting like it wants to try to round over here, but getting real tight here. Putting in a tight range. Yeah, now I got 2,000 or 3,000 being held off. That's just by gold. I know. I almost got out of it right here. I was like, oof. Finally pushed it down, and then of course right at my entry it bounces, which is usually the case. But yeah, just kind of putting in a upwards trend right here. It's a little upwards channel. Kind of got this thing going on. Just think, if any of you guys are in the tournament, you just fade me. You're up 2,600 bucks right now. Not too bad. There you go, Zaid. We'll split it. We'll split it after. The Commanders just fumbled. We can't lose. Our luck, Zayday, would go and just hit our stop loss. It hit our 5,000 on your side, and then come back and hit my 5,000 drawdown. What am I trading? This is NQ and some gold. Yeah. And this is a tournament account. So I'm kind of like full porting it. It might get reset here pretty soon. Oh yeah, the market can do that for sure. It definitely could yoink both of us. Gold making new session highs. Alright, make new session highs and then come back down, okay? NASDAQ pushing higher. Gold finally push. Stopped out on NASDAQ. Maybe a gold push down here. I trade inside bars, haramis. None of my indicators are working right now, but yeah. So I trade 5-minute inside bars, haramis, outside bars, things like that on the 5-minute. Bull flags, bear flags. Looks like Patton Oswalt. That's not good. Yeah, I've gained a little bit of weight. I saw a 2 next to on the scale, but that's all right. I'm hitting the diet now. Starving. Does it work out for me? Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. 2%. Yeah. 196. Yeah, I'm 200 right now. 200. Well, there goes this gold trade is obviously not working. Just go back to my hand. She's so close. I'm tired. Oops. Hey man, it's belly, neck. I'm pretty solid in the upper body and stuff, but yeah, I definitely could cut down. NASDAQ pushing up higher. Gold pushing up higher. This might be the end of this. Not a good start. Yeah, I can reset it for 20 bucks, Johnny. So if it blows, it blows. It's all good, guys. I can reset. This is tournament. I can reset it for 20 bucks. It's all good. I can start over fresh here in about 2 minutes if it doesn't drop. I think it's going to take a big P&L to win the tournament, so going for it. BW appreciates the page. He claims he doesn't make any money off it, but I don't know. I think that he gets I think he's getting money for sponsorship, so for sure. Getting a good 100,000 to win the tournament, yeah. You gotta catch a good one. I'd like to catch a good start, you know. Myth, are you in it? You in the PW tournament too? You just sitting there just fading me? I bet you he is. I bet you Myth's fading me. He is. He's just sitting there fading me. He's up 3,500. Don't worry about the asterisks on this one, Myth. Don't worry about the asterisks. Send it. Come on. Up 200. Nice. Alright, looks like we're gonna get stopped out here, whether we like it or not. Gold looking like it's breaking out. Yeah. I got legends pulled up. I'm ready to reset. NASDAQ still pushing up higher. Gold pushing up higher as well. BC Trums, what's up? Get that reset ready? Yeah, I got it pulled up. Yep. NASDAQ mooning at the moment. Gold trying to pull back a little bit. Looking for a sell around 25,060s. God, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, it is a good level for sure. I'm just gonna try to wait, but we'll see. This gold trade right now is not looking too hot. Nasdaq's continuing to grind up here. Gold trying to pull back some. Can we break this upwards trend and get lucky? The old Nikkei? I don't, to be honest with you, I don't even know how to pull that up, Robert. Daniel, what props am I trading right now? So, well, currently right now this is a tournament account, but I am trading with Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Apex, Tradeify, Tradeday. I believe that's the accounts I have at the moment. Nasdaq just mooning, just ripping faces off. Just continuing to squeeze higher. Yeah, I'm going heavy on the tournament, Daniel. Yeah, I can reset it for $20. So I get one. It's for 5 days. I can reset it once. So looking like it's probably gonna get reset tonight, and then we'll start over. I already have it pulled up to reset. I already have it pulled up to reset. Yeah, basically I got caught on this inside bar here. This is what I originally went short, and then I kept scaling in, and NQ short, man, it is so strong. I don't know, guys. I mean, it's so strong. Just squeezing. I'm not very good at picking tops and bottoms. As far as like a reversion play, that's definitely not where I'm good at. I'm not very good at momentum either, apparently. But yeah, I'm not really good at. I have to wait for some sort of reversal signal. But yeah. Yeah, we got an open gap down there on NQ. Yep, Kato, for sure. But it could get left. It could get left until. Gold continuing to pop. NASDAQ continued to grind higher as well. How can you enter the tourney? You gotta go to Legends. Legends trading. Actually, I just had it and I just exited out by mistake. Legends trading right here, and you know, sign up, whatever. Do the get started, and then look for the BDH tournament, and then use code BDH to get the 30% off, or whatever, to get it for $39. Gold continuing the moon. About ready to get stopped out on gold. JD54, what is up? Thanks, guys. Whoa. Hey, I'm going to complain about this slippage. What was that? Hey, something's wrong here. I want a free reset. It's $10,854 in slippage here. All right, we got some action here. I am resetting the account. Wow, nice pop on gold. $20 to reset. Cheap enough. NASDAQ continuing the moon. Push higher. Gold as well. Everything just pushing higher. Just like nothing ever happened, right, guys? Look, nothing ever happened. Yo, Coach Fred, what is up? Yeah, gold just literally took off. NASDAQ as well. Gold is just ripping higher. All-time highs on gold, right? This is all-time highs. Yeah. All-time highs on gold. TCG Andy, what is up? Pushing higher. Going on some vacation? Let's go. Chris Knopf in the house. Nick, fourth gold going to 4,000. It's crazy, isn't it? Yeah, I believe it. I could be by today. I mean, it's just mooning. Yeah, it's just nuts. We'll wait for a setup. We'll keep an eye on gold. Wait, none of my indicators are working. Not that it matters, but it's a little annoying. Oh, there we go. NASDAQ continuing to just go up. Gold, YM, creeping up. ES, creeping up. Your trading view keeps freaking out, logging you out of Tradeday? Huh, I don't know, Bean Trader. I've never used Trading View, so I'm not really sure. Doesn't make sense? No, it doesn't. It's irrational. The market is irrational. It just keeps going up higher, higher, higher. For sure. Got a giant gap up above on the 1 hour chart. Inefficiency or fair value gap, whatever you guys want to call it. Single print, sussy, turtle, silver, bullet, I don't know, whatever. But yeah, just a giant on the hourly from basically noontime on Friday. We had a massive push down on the hourly here. By the 5-second dip on gold, I know. It's I kind of want to, but the new Tradeday prop is a joke. Tried logging in early and said I already had a session open on the computer and hadn't. Oh, maybe that's what was. Had someone else stacks in the other chat was having an issue. Maybe that's what it is. Yeah, I got none of my indicators are working right now, and then I tried the community indicators to re-download them, and none of that's working either. No VWAP, none of my inside bars, stuff like that. All right, gold still pushing higher here, but getting a little bit of a pullback here. Little 10-point, 9-point pullback, no big deal. All right, no more resets on this account, so that don't mean I'm not gonna send it though. All right, we're getting that pullback on gold. NASDAQ not really pulling back yet. Still upwards channel here, up and to the right. You should hear the song on guided meditation. It gives me good vibes. Thank you, Daniel. Yeah, I'm a big meditator myself. I actually meditate every day. Meditated every day for the last decade. At least 15, 20 minutes. Bitcoin's all-time highs. Let's go. Government shutdown. Let's moon it. Definitely not acting like, as of right now, it's not being very historical, like the last government shutdown. But see a gap on NQ means we coming back down. Possibly. I don't know when though. It's got to fill it. Maybe. That's generally the thought, right? But for now, I think we do. But you just don't know when, you know. It could be London. It could be tomorrow morning. New York Open. But yeah, I agree with you, Red. I mean, you get open gaps like that on higher time frames. And then, or any time frame really, but it'll come back and usually test it. Bottom half of the 4-hour fair value gap. Pretty nice pullback on gold here. Got an inside bar short on NASDAQ. Don't know if I trust it though. It's just no sign of weakness right now. First trade on my new MyFunded future funded, and I shorted 1 second before the massive. Oh no! Oh no, Corey. That's all right. Just hopefully the count's okay. Just shake it off. We'll look for the next setup, you know. Yeah, this market's just strong. It just keeps going up to the right. Yeah, this is the BDH competition right here. Yeah, J-Val, for sure. You kind of went from 0 to negative 1,000 in an instant? Yeah, ouch. Sorry to hear that, Corey. Risk management is all out of the way. You can reset it once, J-Val, for $20. I already done it. I've already done it. This is a brand new account. I was in 7 or 8 gold contracts. So yeah, she's already gone. So I'm on my last chance here. This is the BDH tournament, Red. Legends. Who can lend me 39 bucks to enter the tournament? You haven't traded on it yet? Yeah, you get one reset. So I've already reset it. So I'm in it for 60 bucks. We longing? I kind of feel like we should, but Nasdaq's doing Nasdaq things right now. We get an outside bar on here to the short side below 25,055. I might take another stab short. Tight stop. One. Tigers in 40 micros. Gold. Holy cow. Corey the phone trader in the house. Trolls, you up 5,000? Let's go. You were fading me. Let's go. Stream sniper betting against you? Yeah, right. Feel like I'm playing Call of Duty. Damn stream snipers. No. Outside bar here. Just looking for that short, but the break of this outside bar here. Kind of sweep the outside bar here, maybe looking for a push back up through. Pretty tight stops, but I'm in 3 minis. On a TPT Pro, oof. I hope it goes up. It's kind of putting in a little bull flag here, so Maizu, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. Smash that like button too, guys. Appreciate you guys hanging out here on a Sunday night. Is this the sign new? Yeah. Appreciate that. Husam, thank you so much for the sub. Appreciate you. Am I in this trade? Yeah, I'm long. Currently long off 63. Kind of put in an 5-minute outside bar. We swept below this inside bar, came back. Took out, made an outside bar, actually peaked above that. So stop's just kind of going below this little range here. Taking a little stab long. Risking 500 bucks. We'll see what happens. Gonna wait a few hours for Tokyo Open. Yeah. I have a feeling we're gonna get pretty good movement. It's kind of acting like it wants to. I mean, not a bad movement with gold so far tonight. And then NASDAQ. Not a horrible range. Not a horrible range. What time am I hitting the gym weights? I didn't go today, but I did go yesterday. And I'll go tomorrow morning. I'll hit the gym. Stop at 25,055. What is up, Sabak? How you doing, man? So I am trading this tournament account. I am trading it very aggressively. Baby Gains Myth is not gonna win it with his $200. With his one micro, can't win it. Go big or go home. If you ain't first, you're last, Myth. If you ain't first, you're last. Although, the Tradeday Affiliate Cup, though, slow and steady will win that race, I'm thinking. What tournament is this? This is the BDH tournament. Anyone can join this tournament. It's on... I by the way, I get nothing from this. But it's on Legends Trading through the BDH tournament. So this is Legends Trading if anyone wants to join. You just do get started. And, well, actually, you log in. You do your whole login thing and then go to get started. Then click on the tournament and you'll find the BDH tournament. Yeah, there's over 1,000 right now. There's over 1,000 people entered at the moment. All right, looks like we're gonna get stopped out here. Of course. We'll see. Might get a little lucky here. Well, the one trade a day, so here's the kicker with that. You're not wrong. Here's the kicker with that. People can sign up until the 8th, so... But you only can enter once, so... How much is it? It's 39 bucks. Can you use TradingView for it? Yeah, I think so. Well, it's through Tradeday, so you think you can... Yeah, smash the like button. Thank you, Fiber Splice. Yeah, I think there's like 1,000 people in it. Alright, maybe get a little lucky here. What's the tournament about? Your chance to win. So it's your chance to win. Let me see if I can find it here. I think it's 25,000 in prizes. I'm not seeing it. Hold on. Top 5, 25,000 in prizes, $10,000 first place. I think 1 through 10, I believe, wins money, and top 5 will trade live at the BDH against each other, I believe. Some sort of so. All right, getting a little push back up here. Oh, thank you, J Val. I appreciate it, man. Appreciate that. This is looking good. See if we can get a little pop through the top here. Bottom of the hour. Come on, let's run some stops. I'm adding to my trade here. Pulling back now. Well, trying to break this little bull flag here, Harami. At the bottom of the hour here in about a minute and a half. We'll see what happens. Come on. Little bull flag breakout here, possibly. Looking to take off 3 around 70s. In 5 minis. I'm out of 2. I'm out of 3. I'm out of 1. I'm down to 1 here. Stops at break even on the runner. Getting the pop. Trailing my stop here. Little bull flag breakout. Alright, I'm out. So up 786. We did blow that other account, so we reset. Up 514 on the trade day. Affiliate Cup 1. No resets. No resets today, Myth. No resets today. Not yet. Get a little push up here. We had a gap up here. That 25,100 has been a magnet all like the last 3 days, 4 days. I mean, really, we just keep going right back to this level and hanging out there. So, wouldn't be a bit surprised if we don't test that 25,100. How much you guys? What do you guys think? What do you think is going to take to win this tournament? 5 days. I can tell you what. Terry Trey's 100 finished 6th in the Ninja Trader tournament. It was over. There was a lot. There was quite a bit of people in it. And she made over 100,000 in that tournament to get 6th. So in 5 days. And I believe you could have traded 5 minis. So trying to go through it, look back at a Twitter here. Check this out. I don't know if you guys can see it. This was Terry's tournament from finished 7th out of 1,000 traders. So I think they started with $25,000. Started with $25,000 and was up to 104,473 to finish 7th. The winner was 163, 112. So, and that was a 5-day tournament. with the same amount of leverage. So kind of crazy. You guys seen that esport stuff, that esport trading stuff? That's kind of crazy, right? They're doing it with crypto markets, things like that. Mostly over in Asia, I see it. Yeah, Cave Trader for sure. Absolutely crushed that tournament. And guys, like, I don't know if you guys know, but like, constantly check Ninja Trader, and there's tournaments all the time and they're free. So good practice anyways, you know. And you can actually win real money. So this one, I think there's one coming up. So check out the Arena Ninja Trader stuff. Oh, Red, you're trying to get set up? Yeah, sorry, man. I can't help you, but I'm sure someone in the chat can help you. The tariffs, the markets were volatile? Absolutely, Fred. Yeah, that was the crazy volatility in the markets. So 5 minis, you could get $10,000 in a second. Pete, I trade both, but yeah. I trade both. Prop and my own. Lately, I just pretty much just stick with options. Doing option spreads with my personal at the moment, and then trading futures with props. Up 900? Oh no, Bergman, you're beating me. I gotta get some more. You're going to work. I'm gonna stay up and see if I can get ahead of you. No, I'm just kidding. Nice work, man. Have a good day at work. Good night, wherever you're at. Any recommendations on props? Yeah, man. Are you a new trader? Or are you fairly experienced? So I always say, like, if you're a newer trader, you want to stick with something that's a little less expensive for an evaluation, like Bulanox or something. And that way, you know, like, the evaluations will cost you about 20 bucks, 25 bucks right now for the evals. And then the, you know, to activate the funded account, it'll cost you money. But, you know, when you're new, you want to try to keep your expenses as low as possible. But yeah, the prop firms that I recommend, you know, the ones I'm trading with right now are Tradeday, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Apex, Bulanox, Tradeify. Those are the ones that I mainly trade with. Ready to make the jump? Yeah. So you've been paper trading for a while. So what you want to do is you want to bring in the emotions now of trading some money. So I get it. So yeah, you want to, yeah, maybe look at Bulanox or something. What platform are you trading on? Oh, you said Webull. So, like, Bulanox trades on Rhythmic and Project X. Project X is, I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, I got 3 Bulanox master accounts too. I gotta activate. This is Project X. Pretty easy with Bulanox. These right now are 83% off. You want to use code PINE. I got a boatload of payouts with them lately, but they are a pretty inexpensive evaluation to try out. So unfortunately we just got done 91% off, These evals were 91% off at $15.75, but right now they're about 83% off. So I don't know what the total cost is, but like probably like 20 something bucks. You have to pay for the feed? No. No split up until, I believe Buellanox is no split until 10,000. I believe. Let me double check that. Thank you so for the sub, Carl Chapman. Is there a leaderboard? There supposedly is. I don't know if it's live or if it's end of day leaderboard. Yeah, first 10,000, there's no split. Then after that, it's 90-10. Oh, cool, Pete. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's just one of those things. Like, I don't know if you go back and like kind of go look at my story, my videos and stuff. You'll see like you want to try to keep your expenses as low as possible because this game can get expensive very quickly. So like when you're first starting out, I made some big mistakes. So I gotta activate 3 Buellanox accounts. We got an inside bar on NASDAQ. Let's check out this other tournament account. This is the Tradeday affiliate account. Kind of break it up through this inside bar here. So this is the way the my indicators work. You guys are just tuning in. Over here they're not working. I don't know why. I think Patrick he shut off all the indicators, just give him an advantage. No, but just kidding. The inside bars, Harami candles, outside bars, they just highlight for me on the 5-minute chart, and then I just have the VWAP, and that's all I use. Nothing fancy. Yeah, I think we're going 25,100 as well. Does it say why the futures are up? Is that because of peace in the Middle East? Scotty, we're just in such a bullish market right now. I mean, gold is also cranking higher, kind of just nasty choppy right now within this some sort of data candle or news candle. Maybe it was just the all-time highs just breaking those stops. It's consolidating right now, but yeah, we're just so bullish. If you look at the daily chart, I mean, it's just crazy bullish. We put in this bull flag here last Sunday night. We marked it out and then we broke up above it and we haven't looked back yet. So let's see what we have for news. Now with the government shutdown, a lot of data is impacted. So Monday there's not really any news. Tuesday, Wednesday, FOMC meeting minutes. Don't know if that'll happen. Unemployment claims Thursday, and then Friday non-farm and stuff again. It's all kind of tentative. University of Michigan consumer sentiment on Friday. So kind of light on news next week as well. I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully we can get some nice volatility for the tournaments, right? We want some volatility. Yeah, most news. So if it has anything to do with Buellanox, yeah, I'll pull right here, Buellanox. So that's Buellanox right here. put the link in the chat. If you want to give them a shot. Also, right now, My Funded Futures, if you want to go the all-in route for no activation fee, it's $127 for the scale plan. I always forget what that's called. And then the core account, I believe, all-in cost is around $77 or so. New trader agreement for My Funded Futures. What is this? Okay. Yeah, core plan is $73.15 if you use code PINE with My Funded Futures. I appreciate you guys using my code with My Funded Futures. All right, what is the market doing? It's just up and to the right, right? Yeah. Let's see what happens with Tokyo Open though. What's the drawdown? It is $5,000. $5,000. $10.7 is the launch of Prime Day, 2 days, and a bunch of retailers following in specials. Oh, right. Yeah, cool. Have I used TopStep? Yeah, I have. Pete. Yep, TopStep's good too. TopStep, so My Funded Futures doesn't have a Project X like TopStep X. They have Tradeday, which is this. Which is, you know, pretty easy platform to learn too. They have Quan Tower. Pretty good, pretty easy path to a payout. My Funded Futures. So with My Funded Futures, once you get funded, it is 5 days of $100 or more, and you can withdraw into the buffer. Do you have to pay for Tradeday than My Funded Futures? No. Nope, it comes with it. The data and everything will come with it. The outside bar here is, do we actually get a little bit of a rollover? Do we actually pull back? Yeah, no problem, man. I'm here every single night, so if you got any questions, just let me know. Discord is open as well. I'll put link to the Discord. Discord's free if you're on Discord. Guys, do me a favor and smash that like button. I appreciate your support. Help those YouTube algorithms. Just requested my first payout ever. 614 whiskey. Let's go. 3,800 from the markets. Let's go. Who did you request it with? 614. Let's smash the confetti for 614 for getting his first payout. And a nice one too. 3,800 bucks. That's pretty awesome. Love hearing that stuff. Highway King, you full port in the PW tournament? Let's go. Full port long or short? Let me fade you. I want to fade you. Oh, yeah. Peter's right. 10 minis. Long gold. Let's go. Good luck. Gold's just being stubborn right now, just consolidating at the moment, chopping sideways. Could move in about 10 minutes, but trying to get triggered in short here off this outside bar. I'm gonna go short here. I might try to scale in a bit. Just one mini. Basically, I'm looking to push back down to the VWAP, possibly for the Tokyo Open. I'd like to get in right around 71, but I'm in at 68, and I'm willing to go up to 2 minis. So if it pushes back up, we'll scale in, and then my stop will go above the high. Risk 3, we'll see. There is that open gap too. Yeah, thank you for the reminder. Yeah, we could actually get there. I just don't know. Looking at the hourly, you know, we still have this gap up here too, this inefficiency. So I'm not 100% confident in the short, but the outside bar is there. Usually I only look for a 1-to-1 off the outside bar. So which would be yeah, right where the VWAP is, pretty much. So But maybe if I get in 2 minis here, it comes down and hits the VWAP, I'll leave the other one on for a runner. That'll be my game plan. Yo, walk to you. What is up? The cheapest straight to funded right now? I don't know. To be honest, I don't really know. Let's look. 30% off Tradeify. Probably not the cheapest. Top one. Probably Tick Tick, yeah. How do you guys like Tick Tick? You guys happy with Tick Tick? Has anyone gotten any payouts with Tick Tick? Yeah, if I had to guess, it would be Tick Tick or top one too. Yeah, Nate, for sure. Why so inexpensive? That's kind of my thing too. But I don't. They must get it. I mean, Tick Tick's been around a while, so they're not new. Lots of people couldn't KYC. Oh, okay. Francis, you don't like Tick Tick Trader? Okay. Yeah, I'm not affiliated with them at all. So I am affiliated with Top One, but all right, we got top of the hour here in just a few minutes. Yeah, the old prop shop. Yeah. I mean, for a reliable one, you know, my go-to is always Tradeify, but they are a little more expensive. Although they did just have a pretty good deal. What's gold up to? Gold just completely gone sideways. Anyone stuck in a gold trade right now? Hey, Kege-san, what is up, man? What's wrong with Prop Shop? I don't know. I just haven't traded with them. Probably nothing. We have choices, that's for sure. 25k TPT, let's go. Yeah, Take Profit Trader, my favorite prop firm, guys. The daily payouts. Can't beat them. Trade Day, too, right up there on that list for the end of day accounts. Oh, for sure, Peter. Yeah, I think gold's gonna rip some faces tonight, perhaps. It's right at all-time highs. Once 8 Eastern, 9 o'clock Eastern time, PM. It should move. Come on, see money, take money, I guess. This could be bringing in a massive bull flag here, but Top of the hour here in just a few minutes. A few seconds, 15 seconds. Yeah, I'm in a short. The old Tokyo Open here. Tokyo's open. All right, I'm taking this short order off, this second one here. Past the 25K TPT, let's go. Congratulations. Those are always nice to pass because they're not the easiest. Just gotta trade them for 5 days. I gotta stop up at the highs at 87. Looking to take profit down here at the towards the VWAP, the WeWAP. What's gold up to? Gold kind of broke down below that little consolidation there, popping back up. Nasdaq trying to push down here, 25,064.75. Looking for 52.75. Stops at 87. Basically, I'm short off the outside bar. My indicator's not working on this, on that prop firm, but basically, I'm short off this outside bar right here. Does anyone know if that that Legends leaderboard is live or if it's just let me check it out. Yeah, I'm not seeing a leaderboard yet. Currently up $863 on this account. Looking to get a little more out of this flush here. Needs to really move. Yeah, only one reset. Yep, one reset. Well, I see I tried to, and I'm trying to hold long enough to take profit instead of 15-second scalps. Dominic. Yeah, I mean, some traders can trade, you know, really quick scalps and they make money. That's perfectly fine, but I mean, I'm considered a scalper to some people. Some people would say that I'm not because I trade off the 5-minute chart, so I trade on small time frames. But some people trade off little tick charts and 15-second charts, and you know. But the people that trade off the 4-hour and the 1-hour, they're like, you know, they consider me a scalper. But it's all good as long as you don't, you know, let your losers run. Yeah, I don't know. This market, man. Buy the dips. I'm gonna close out of that. That is a strong candle. Possibly a long setup here. Still up 735 on this account. Up 5. No resets on this one. Up 514 on the affiliate account. This is a 5-week tournament, this affiliate account. So I need to buckle up and get serious. This Patrick Whelan, this BDH tournament is only 5 days, so it's gonna take some a little bit of luck, a little bit of skill, and more than one mini to win it for sure. So let losers run and cut winners early is definitely recipe for disaster. Absolutely. Cheetah Flowers, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Take a look at gold here. Gold kind of broke down from this consolidation, so it'll be interesting here. Let's see what that does. I hate when gold gets choppy like that, when it gets sideways. It's kind of nasty. Boy, possible bull, like, kind of flipping the script here, but possible another bull flag break to the upside. If this was New York here, I would say this is be a strong candidate to actually break through the highs again. But being Asia right now, don't know if we'll have the volume to push up through there. YM pushing down as well. ES kind of pushing down. We do have this open gap down here. 92s, 93, 90s. So just YOLO on the NQ, 829 in the morning. Maxed out, let it ride, and just reset. Go long every day until you pass. That's the method. Yeah, Bob. I mean, I do the same thing sometimes. Yeah. Cheap evaluations like Buellanox, like last Friday. I had five $15.75, 91% off Buellanox evals. Use code PINE. It's currently 83% off right now, but I mean, I literally 7 contracts, passed 3 of them, and ended up blowing 2 of them. So not too bad. Right at the New York Open. I mean, I wait for a little bit of setup. I try to wait for like an ORB break or something like that, but then I'll send it 7 contracts. All right, just kind of waiting here. I'm not really seeing a setup at the moment. Gold actually pushing down here. Nice. You guys got paid on the gold short. Nice. Boy, NASDAQ just looking strong. Looks like it wants to push up higher again. I'm coming down to test that VWAP. I actually probably should have just held on to my short, right? 70s to 58s here. I think I was looking at like 53 originally for take profit, but yeah, ES bouncing off that VWAP. Thank you, JC Trades. And YM. I'm actually going to take a stab long here. NASDAQ. Let's see if we can actually break up through. It's looking like a little bit of a bull flag break here. I'm in heavy here on this tournament account. 3 minis. Taking one off. Just looking for a little scalp. See money, take money type deal. Stops at break even on the last one. 3 bennies, load the boat. Yeah, I'm actually. This is the Trade Day affiliate one, so you're not wrong. All right, stopped out on that one, but it's all right. We can hop back in. Up 590 on that account. New 15-minute. Oh, looking like a bull flag break on 15 as well. All right, I'm long. Long on the PW, the BDH tournament. Yeah, you want to copy me? Don't copy my trades. These are tournament accounts, so I'm like literally like very aggressively trading them. I don't. I mean, definitely don't want to copy. I mean, if you see a setup, your own setup, feel free. But I'm long 4 minis. Bitcoin's popping. Gold's at the VWAP. Gold pulled back. Wow, gold did pull back some. Tomorrow 829, you go long. Let's go. I actually passed an account, an evaluation account by flipping a coin, and I'm not joking. Every time that I had a bracket set up with ES, and every time it finished the bracket, I would flip the coin again. It was during the New York Open, and I did it over and over and over again, and actually passed the account. It's completely random, right? But it was just like an experiment. It was a cheap eval too. Actually, was just playing the volatility of the account, you know, of the market open. I mean, just playing the volatility. Come on, NASDAQ. Get up there. See if we can get up there to 25,100. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. It's Sunday night. You guys could be watching football, but instead you're hanging out. Smash that like button. Well, you want to see the fill the opening gap for us, Zando? Yeah, for sure. Just don't know when, you know? Like, it could just wait till London, to be honest, or New York. But yeah, no, you're absolutely right. There is that opening gap down there in 990s. I've seen it, especially in NASDAQ, where it just kind of leaves it for half the night. Till New York open, you know? Yeah, exactly, Zando. Yeah, for sure. So basically, the setup right here is just basically what I'm looking at is this bull flag break here. This is where I'm long. This is my reasoning. I mean, down below 58, and then we are wrong. Yeah, limitless for sure. Yep. Base hits. Really, when it comes to prop game, though, like, base hits all you need. You know? ES testing that VWAP again. Needs to hold that VWAP, ES. Chasin, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. 25,104. That your target? Oh, nice, Mike. Is this a funded account challenge? No, this is a tournament account. $5,000 in drawdown, and winner wins like 10. The first place gets $10,000. It's a 5-day tournament, so. All right, getting a little pullback here. Alright, I think I might flatten us out. We're below 58 now. The old bull flag break. Just gonna give it a second here. Of course, I went in 4 minis on that one. Not a big deal. What gold's up to? Gold. Drop down below the VWAP now. Kind of pulling back. Kind of giving NASDAQ a little bit of room. I'm up like $700 right now. Total. But down 1,000 unrealized, so down 291. NASDAQ trying to bounce off that VWAP. ES kind of down below the VWAP at the moment. Gold below the VWAP. Bean Trader, you looking for it to go back up? I think so too. Trader 007, what is up? But we do have that open gap down here. That's what's scary. Bottom of the hour here in about 30 seconds. Could be London that fills it. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it could be London. It could be New York. Could just stay open till New York. That'll be great if it does, because that'll be a great target. Trying to find direction here. It's sitting right at the VWAP. 25,059. I think there's a heavy supply up there at 100. It could be. I haven't taken a look at Bookmap. The old heat map. Battling it out here at the VWAP. 25,059. Nasdaq doesn't know what it wants to do right now. Gold trying to break above that VWAP again. Bear flag in 1 minute. Good goals. Alright, I'm flattening. Alright, that's it for me, guys. I'm down 722 bucks on the PW thing. I don't want to get myself in too much of a hole until till New York, so we'll wait till New York. We'll try to get some of that back. Got 4 more days, 5 more days to trade it, so but I appreciate you guys hanging out. If you guys want to support my channel, then use code PINE. So I was up about 700 bucks. Now I'm down 700 bucks. So don't want to dig myself into too much of a hole. Market's just kind of grinding, doing the grindy. So anyways, guys, smash that like button on your way out, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate you. Peace.